So for me, social media is the future. I think all businesses will have to employ some form of social media in order to stay ahead of the game, keep abreast of what's happening with their customers, be more agile, show that they actually care about their customers as well. You see our customers, I'm actually from Lithium Technology. We're a global leader in the area of social CRM, work with the likes of BT, Skype, Sephora, Virgin Media, so big, cool, sexy brands, all utilising it for actionable analytics and really at the forefront of it. So I think if customers really want to stay abreast of what's happening with their customer base and really show that they care, they've got to use social media, but use it wisely, not just a Facebook fan page or a Twitter fan page. Utilise something that's a bit more real, a bit more, I guess, agile, and a bit more long-lasting. So Lithium Technology is definitely at the forefront of that. Thanks, bye.